Hello, Nemus. This is Mr. Zawacki. I'm here to give you some quick tutorial on how to access and do our science labs this year. They will be live labs. So, how do you figure out where to go? How do you figure out what to do? Well, what's going to happen? First off, if you ever get confused, this is the NEMIS Science Lab website, which you can find linked on the NEMIS home website. But you can actually bypass this because every month you will be getting an email that will say Science Lab, just like this one that you see here. It'll say it's from me, John Zawacki, and it will say Science Lab. You open it, and it will take you straight to your newsletter. I will click on the newsletter, and this is the sixth grade one. We're starting with sixth grade this year. And you'll see at the top of the newsletter, there'll be the monthly calendar. And then there's the schedule of how things are going to work. When it's your day for Science Lab, you will be with me from 8:30 to 1:40 all day long. Now, I will explain the schedule more in detail when you get to lab. Now, once you're in here and you want to go to the lab, let's say it's your Mr. Sabiglia's class, you will click there and it will take you to your Google Classroom. It will take you to not just your Google Classroom, it'll take you to the lesson that you need for today. And all these files you will have to open. These are the things you will have to complete today. And I will open this one. And you will see there. Now I want to open all of them. So I'm going to open everything here. That'll all open. Once you've opened everything, you are still not in class yet. You've just opened the stuff that you need. So you're going to have to go to the homepage for class right here and click on the Meet link. Once you click on the Meet link, it will ask you to join. If you've logged on with your myabc.org, you will be allowed in. Now, that'll be lab starting. Now, going through the lesson real quick, you will always have to put your first and last name. Okay. And now I'm going to show you something. I'm going to keep hitting next because that was my first page. Second page. Third page. Fourth page. Oops. Now I'm supposed to add a file here. So how do I do that? I'm going to click on add file. I'm going to go to my drive. I'm going to find the file that I need. And I'm going to select it. And now I can go next. And then I'm going to submit. Now, submitting is very important. Do not leave, do not X out of this form until you have submitted. Now, I'm going to submit. And I have the opportunity here to edit my response. You're going to be doing this often. Now, what's going to happen is, what if you close this out, which you will? You're like, oh no, it's gone. So what do I have to do now? I can go to my email, and the Google form automatically sent you a way to get back to this response page. So you can edit your response from there. So you will be submitting, and you will be using your email to get access again. Okay, I hope that is helpful.